Hi everyone, this is the Vivacious Sexual Better Love from Better Love Entertainment, and I'm here to wish my sister, Lady D Denise Gomez, 17 years going strong. Big up to the Queen of Airwaves, 17 years strong on Linkage Radio and still shining like a first day you touch the mic. Lady D Denise Gomez, you are a pillar in radio, a voice that commands respect, warmth, and power. From the early days until now, your journey has inspired so many of us, especially myself. You have kept us informed, uplifted, and entertained with grace, consistency, and pure existence. We go way back, like pencil, like 40. Huh. Oh my God. I've seen firsthand how you have poured your heart into every show. Your presence is magnet, your words impactful on your soul. This milestone is not just about time, it's about impact, legacy, and love you have shown through the airwaves. Keep shining, and keep doing what only Lady D can do. Keep rising. Congratulations on your 17 phenomenal years, and here's to many more with love and admiration from Blip, Better Love Entertainment Production. The Vivacious Sexual Better Love.
Congratulations to Lady D Denise Gomez for celebrating 17 years of excellence, inspiration, and unwavering dedication. What a phenomenal milestone. From Inside the Zone to Voices with Lady D, you have graced the airwaves with knowledge, warmth, and a powerful voice that resonates across the Caribbean and throughout the diaspora. Your passion for uplifting our people, your fearless storytelling, and your deep cultural insight continue to enlighten and empower listeners near and far. Your journey is not just a celebration of longevity, but one of purpose, staying true to your roots, your community, and your mission. So, Lady D, here's to 17 incredible years on the mic, and to many more chapters of impact, truth, and powerful conversations. We salute you, Lady D, with love and admiration. This is Chris Wilby, the Vibes Master, and from all of us here at Caribbean Vibes Radio Network. Congratulations, Lady D.
I want to say congratulations to Mrs. Denise Gomez Green, aka Lady D. Congratulations, my friend. 17 years of excellence in broadcasting and dedicated service to the fraternity. What an incredible milestone. Lady D, your voice has been a beacon of inspiration and enlightenment and encouragement to countless listeners. Listen, man, your unwavering commitment, passion, and authenticity have made a lasting impact, shaping conversations and uplifting hearts with every single broadcast. You have built a legacy of trust, professionalism, and meaningful storytelling, and your dedication to the craft is truly, truly commendable. I commend you, my friend. May this anniversary be a celebration of all the lives you've touched, the wisdom you've shared, the countless moments of connection that you've fostered. Wishing you continued success, abundant blessing, and many more years of influential broadcasting. Congratulations on this remarkable achievement. Congratulations. 17 years, girl. Keep moving forward, man. God bless you. Peace out. I'm Dr. D. Roy from Geo365 Radio and Web TV. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Lady D. God bless you.
Hi, I am Julia Meikle Benayer from Fit FM 96.7, FitFMJA.com out of Stuart Castle, Duncan's Trelawney, Jamaica. I want to congratulate Denise Gomez Green for 17 years of Voices with Lady D. 17 years, not an easy feat, but I can tell you, I just love the wholesome entertainment, information, and of course the inspiration that the program offers. So on behalf of all of us here at Fit FM 96.7 and the whole of Trelawney and the whole of Western Jamaica, as a matter of fact the whole of Jamaica, congratulations to you, Denise, and I wish you lots more years of doing what you do best. Congratulations, my darling, love you. Ethel, ace producer, keep it up. Jah guide.